Hello my people, today I want to show you some beneficial health products that you can use in place of seasoning cubes, maybe as a result of the content implication. Maybe you're on a diet, maybe you're a lifestyle person, or you want to use it as a preventive measure. This video is for you. Keep watching. Hello my dearest people, thank you for stopping by. My returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you for always being there. And if you're a new person viewing this video for the first time, please kindly smash the red subscribe button right down below this video, so that when new videos are released you will see it as well, and click on the notification bell beside it so that you'll be the first person to see the videos when they are released. Thank you for watching. And you know, this channel is all about providing solutions to everyday challenges, wherever we find ourselves, at home, at work, anywhere we find ourselves in the society and even in the world at large. And don't forget, my name is Gloria, always preferring solutions. So let's get into the business of the day. Oh, lest I forget, here is a disclaimer. I am not a medical practitioner. This video is just for educational purpose. But remember, I'm a wife and I'm a mother, and I've personally used these products, and I know that they are very, very beneficial to the health. And I also have testimonials from people who have used them as well. So they are very, very beneficial. So the first product I'll be showing you is this spice we are looking at in the video. This is a taste enhancer mixed spice that can be used in place of seasoning cubes. Actually, it contains a lot of beneficial ingredients like fish, dried fish, black seed, coriander seed, fenugreek, cumin, parsley, celery, rosemary leaf, ginger, turmeric, star anise, fennel, sea salt, and the likes. So it's very, very beneficial to the earth. Actually, it is approved by NAFDAC and acceptable anywhere. It has been really scrutinized by NAFDAC. It's very, very beneficial to the earth. Instead of using seasoning cubes, maybe you've gone to the hospital, doctor has warned you, don't use seasoning cubes, don't use this, don't use that. So you can use these products in place of the seasoning cube, and it tastes the same way, sincerely. If not 100%, at least 99.99% exactly like seasoning cubes. Because look at all those things I mentioned: the dried fish, the turmeric, they are all natural plants and natural animals, like dried fish, crayfish, locust beans is even included as well. So you can just try these products because they will help you to remain healthy, and you still have that same taste, sweet taste of your soup, of your dishes as well. And remember, health is wealth, and we have been told that prevention is far, far cheaper than cure. So it's not until when the doctor tells us that, okay, don't take this, don't take that. So these products are natural products that helps to enhance our health, to stay healthy. So you can just try them and you will see. And it also adds aroma to our soups, to our dishes, fried rice, whatever you want to cook your soup. It has taste, aroma to it. Just try the products. So the next product is locust beans. So here is fresh locust beans. Actually, it is very fresh, stone free, prepared by us. Yes, sweet. It wasn't bought in the market. This one was prepared by us, and it has normal taste but salting. Like, you can eat it raw. It's not too salty, because we don't know those people that will like salty locust beans, and those people that want it salt free. So it has a normal taste but salting, you understand, and it's very, very, very okay. It's very rich in vitamins and proteins. It is prepared under strict hygienic condition, and it is available in different packs and sizes, and it's actually very good. Locust beans is very good, very, very good for the health, very good for eyesight. So nice, and doesn't smell anyhow. If you perceive it, you will know that no, this is different from all the normal as in it's the same locust beans, but I mean the way this one was prepared is actually very, very nice. Stone free, fresh. So next there is a dried locust beans. This is the same locust beans but in dried form. Yes, for those people that want to preserve it for a long time, it has a longer shelf life. It is sweet and it's very, very tasty, but it's the same locust beans I showed earlier, but this one is a dried form of it. They come in various packs like this nylon. We have the ones packaged in the bottle, as you can see, neatly packaged. You can use them for a long time. Very nice, tasty, nutritious, stone free. It's not the locust beans you eat and you will start grinding stones on your teeth. No, but these ones are they were prepared and processed under a very strict hygienic condition, so they are here for you. So next on my list here is the chili pepper. Is this not the normal dry pepper we buy in the market? No, this one is different from the ones that are bought in the market. Let me tell you how it's processed. We bought the dried pepper, but the difference is that it was rinsed with water to remove the stones and the dirt from it. Then it was re-dried and grinded. So it's still very pepperish and hot. So we had to wash the dirt from it, and we re-dried it then to dry again. Then it was then conserved in these bottles. That was a bigger size. This is the smaller size of it, and it's very hot and pepperish. So it will still work for what you want to use it for. So very nice. And actually this is purely pepper, because more often than not we can't trust some of the dry pepper we buy, though already grinded pepper we buy in the market. Yes, because sometimes some people, because of their dubious act or greedy acts, they grind some things with it and the thing, and they sell it at a cheaper amount. Well, this is not expensive as well, but it's just to tell you that this is pure pepper, stone free, and prepared under hygienic condition, and it's also approved by NAFDAC. Next is the pepper soup ingredients. Pepper soup spice. It has some basic ingredients like the cloves, the cinnamon, the ginger. It has a fennel seed, it has cumin, it has garlic, it has nutmeg, it has black pepper, it has scent leaf, it has chili pepper, and it's actually very nice. Those ingredients have been rinsed. They've been rinsed and they've been oven dried, so they are sand free and very, very okay. So they were grinded and they are cheap actually. So if you patronize us, you're buying from a trustworthy source. So it's what should be in the pepper soup ingredient that is in there. There's also sea salt available. It has mild salty content and it's actually very good as well. So sea salt is also available. So I also have the oven dried catfish. There are two types of catfish. We have the locally dried one and we have the oven dried one. This is the oven dried one. There is also the locally dried one. You can watch one of my videos on this channel. You'll see there where I showed the locally dried fish. So I sell both, so it just depends on your interest, and both are very sweet. It just depends on your choice. So if you're interested in buying and marketing these products I've mentioned, the mixed spice, I mean the seasoning cubes, substitutes the chili pepper, the pepper soup ingredients, the dried and the fresh locust beans, even the catfishes, or even the fishes. So my my WhatsApp number is in the description box below, and my email address is there as well. And health is wealth. It's better we eat good things to stay healthy. Eat well and stay healthy. It's something where they make your body day can't pay. And remember to always do good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.